Driving at night should feel safe, confident, and comfortable, but the wrong headlights can reduce visibility and make every trip more stressful. Today, we're counting down the top 5 car LED headlights of 2026 to help you find brighter illumination, improved road visibility, and outstanding value. Stay until the end to see our #1 pick, trusted for its premium quality and dependable performance. Starting our countdown at number 5 is the K5C H7 LED Headlight Canbus. This LED kit offers broad compatibility with many popular vehicle bulb sizes, making it a practical option for drivers with different car models. Built with CSP LED technology, it delivers crisp white illumination that improves nighttime visibility while helping reduce eye strain. Multiple color temperature options allow drivers to choose the lighting style that best matches their preference. Its integrated Canbus support also helps minimize compatibility issues found in many modern vehicles. If you're searching for an affordable LED upgrade with flexible compatibility and reliable everyday performance, the K5C is an excellent place to start. Taking the number 4 position is the XSTORM H7 Mini Wireless LED Headlight. Its compact all-in-one design makes installation quick and straightforward, especially for vehicles with limited housing space. Powered by CSP LED chips, it produces a bright 6500K daylight white beam that improves road visibility without dramatically increasing glare when properly installed. Efficient heat management helps maintain stable brightness during long nighttime drives, while its plug-and-play design reduces installation hassle. Drivers looking for a compact, modern LED upgrade will appreciate the balance of convenience and performance. Coming in at number 3 is the Car LED 3 Laser LED Projector Headlight. Unlike conventional LED bulbs, this model features an integrated projector lens that helps focus light more precisely onto the road ahead. The result is a sharper beam pattern with improved distance and better control over light distribution. Its integrated high and low beam functionality provides added versatility while delivering a modern appearance that enhances your vehicle's front-end styling. For drivers who value focused illumination and premium visual appeal, this projector-style upgrade is definitely worth considering. Earning the number 2 spot is the Oxido Upgraded LED Headlight. Oxido has built a strong reputation among automotive enthusiasts by producing dependable aftermarket lighting solutions. This upgraded model features excellent Canbus compatibility to help reduce flickering and warning errors in many modern vehicles. Its advanced cooling system helps maintain consistent brightness over extended driving sessions, while the clean white output provides excellent visibility for highways, suburban streets, and rural roads alike. Combining dependable performance, easy installation, and strong overall reliability, this is one of the best value options available. Our number 1 choice for 2026 is the Philips Ultinon Rally 3551. Philips is one of the most respected names in automotive lighting, known for consistent engineering and dependable product quality. Rather than relying on exaggerated brightness claims, this LED focuses on delivering a controlled beam pattern that helps maximize useful visibility while reducing unnecessary glare. Its premium construction, efficient thermal management, and stable performance make it an excellent choice for drivers who prioritize long-term reliability and everyday driving confidence. If you're looking for the best combination of quality, beam control, durability, and trusted brand reputation, the Philips Ultinon Rally 3551 stands at the top of our list. Those are our picks for the top 5 car LED headlights of 2026. Which one would you choose for your vehicle? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss the latest automotive gear and product reviews from Global Deal Explorer. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.